ng panbah ya ka constituency Hibrokoy.
Kaseng Congress nin kasngig la Kynthoh ya kaan One Nation One Election jong ka sarkar sinshar da kabaong bakaday kaan bomdon jing seisoh bat sa kaway pat ka jumla. U Joint Secretary jong ka All India Congress Committee nabenta ka Meghalaya u Matthew Anthony ulaong baknang baka One Nation One Election kan long an kaday banyo ya kajing minjur na baro artali ki yeng dorbar jong ka parliament bat palat sanpo na kashispa ki jilla. Ulabu jingkli ya kajing wanra jong ka NDA ya ka One Nation One Election da ka bakadaw bala penlong habun teliki wat ya ka election Lok Sabha bat siya ki yeng dorbar tawan ki jilla ka badang shen.
Non-beginner or a non-starter for the simple reason, if at all it has to be a law, it has to be approved by both houses of the parliament. It has to be approved by more than 50% of the states. Now, the national election, people vote for national parties and regional parties. The state election, it's regional parties and the national parties. And when it comes to the district administration, municipality, corporations, people vote for the individual and the parties. What is the logic of mixing it then? And if the government was so serious about it, then why did they do the Lok Sabha polls in this many number of phases? Why are they doing the assembly polls in this many number of phases? So it is, and the IDFC survey report of 2015 says that 77% of the population will vote for the same party if the state and the assembly elections are held together. And if it is held separately, then 61% will vote in different manner. So it is basically BJP's design to have a presidential kind of a rule. So it is not going to happen.
Menta kasngi UMLA kanong po uba Meryl Bonds im